Acting Director of the Legal Aid Commission, invited guests, honorable ministers, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinak, and a very good afternoon to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to be here today as we officially open the new Lambasa office of the Legal Aid Commission, another milestone development by my government in our mission to bring judicial services to the doorsteps of every Fijian, everywhere in Fiji. Tomorrow, as you've heard, I will be in Sabsabu, where I will open another legal aid office, and I will also open another office in Number 1 on Thursday to serve even more Fijians in our northern division. And with the 3 openings, there will now be 3 branches of the Legal Aid Commission serving Fijians on Unalip, up from only 1 in 2007. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is a record of which we can all be proud of. That rapid expansion of legal aid offices provided free legal aid legal services in Fiji is owed to my government's unwavering commitment to justice, to equal opportunity, and to equal access to services for ordinary Fijians, no matter where they live in the country. This new office opening, along with all of the development and services delivered and expanded under my leadership, is all part of the same consistent agenda carried out by my government over the past decade. That agenda has put our economy on track for historic 9 straight years of economic growth and brought unemployment in Fiji to a 20-year low. That agenda has brought unprecedented infrastructure development to every corner of the country. And that agenda has catered to those who are most vulnerable in Fiji, protecting those historically on the margins of society and bringing them onto the fold of our national life and prosperity. And our commitment to expanding access to legal services is a critical part of that mission to build a more caring and more inclusive Fiji. Prior to 2007, there was only one office in Lambasa, the Lambasa office, which served the Northern Division with a limited number of staff. At one stage, there was only one lawyer and one paralegal clerk. The office was very small and did not have interview rooms to offer privacy and confidentiality between the lawyer and the client. But my government was not content with the limited space and service provided by the office. That is why we have gone even further. And I'm proud to open this new, more spacious legal aid office, an office that will make the services offered by the Legal Aid Commission even more accessible for you and your families. Right here in your community, a team of professional staff will be available to provide individuals with an annual income below $15,000 with free counsel on a range of legal matters, including legal services in the areas of family, criminal, and civil law. And we are flexible with that income threshold. To those of you who may be in circumstances beyond your control, if you have additional family members like cousins or aunties who depend on you, or you are in some sort of financial bind, my government will work to cater for your needs. They can also provide advice free of charge to anyone, assisting with witnessing documents such as birth certificates, academic transcripts, and so on, dealing with landlord and tenant related issues, drafting wills, and helping with probate matters. And with their knowledge and expertise to help guide you, you can all, more easily than ever before, wield the tremendous power of the rule of law for your benefit and the benefit of your families. Today, those of you in Lambasa are now working towards one of the many noble aspirations of the Fijian Constitution, the sacred law of our country, by expanding access to our systems of justice to you. Today, we are helping realize the right of every woman, every man and child in Fiji to access legal services Fijians from every walk of life, every level of society, and from every background, regardless of gender, regardless of religion, ethnicity, age, socio-economic status, or physical ability. And as of today, the doors of this office are open to every Fijian, and the staff within are ready and willing to serve all of you to the best of their ability. When you do walk through these doors, you will be accessing the full legal services of the Legal Aid Commission, the largest law firm in the country. Again, in the 2017-2018 financial year, we've increased the allocation to the Legal Aid Commission to a record of $8.4 million. And due to year after year of unprecedented funding, I'm proud to say that low-income earners in Fiji have more opportunity than ever before to seek legal advice and enjoy the security, assurance, and full protection of the law. In fact, I've been told that well over 40,000 Fijians have been assisted at our legal aid offices throughout the country last year. I also want to make it clear that juveniles can utilize the services offered at legal aid offices in Fiji free of charge. As a young person, your socio-economic background will not be considered, neither will the socio-economic status of your family. Those doors are always open to you, and I encourage young people in need of legal services to take full advantage. The reason offices like this are so important, ladies and gentlemen, is because the law and access to legal services are among the greatest equalizers in Fijian society. Thanks to the Fijian Constitution, we are all equal in the eyes of the law, and that fundamental truth forms the basis of our common and equal citizenry and our shared national identity, one nation, one people, all of us Fijians. So it is critically important that no Fijian is marginalized in the Fijian judicial system, particularly due to financial constraints. If you need representation, it must be made available, and that is what these offices are about. And that is what the women and men employed in these offices are dedicated to delivering for the Fijian people. As of today, Fijians in Lambasa and its surrounding communities have become a part of our national development and national life like never before. As always, my government commitment to each one of you is unwavering, and we will continue to come to you with the services and infrastructure you need to make the life better and to secure an even better future. Thank you. And God bless you all.